Alright, what is up, guys? Welcome back to WeatherPower. Josh is signing in here. It is 11:12 p.m. on March 7th, 2026. Guys, where did the months go? WeatherPower's been evolving a lot. I've got some new stuff to show y'all today, and I don't know where the months have went. My birthday's Friday. I'll be 17, so the months have went just quickly. Okay, I understand that 2026 got off to a very cool start, and I was cooking. I'm still cooking on the back end. I've got WeBot now. I've got it built with a brain. So anyway, today we're gonna what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show y'all what I've been working on, and I'm also gonna show y'all what I have planned for the next few months. Also, I wanted to say this: all my hope and prayers go out to the families that has been impacted by these tornadoes that hit Oklahoma and Michigan. I want to say I was at school when the one hit Michigan, and I did not know it was going to start that quick that day, Friday. It sure did. All right, so today I'm going to go ahead and close that radar page. It seems like it's making this lag. So today we're going to show you guys the new features on WeatherPower. So mostly it has been interface changes with the buttons and stuff. I am very happy to announce we finally have a public blog, which of course y'all knew that. Y'all known that since forever ago. Alright, so I'm going to be showing y'all this now. Here we are. Welcome. So, we're going to head over to WeatherPower. Here we go. So, yes, now we have an admin dashboard button. I don't have to go all the way to just top it up here. So I can click that to go to my admin dashboard. Now, when you're logged in yourself, it will not work for you. You will not have that. And if you see now, we got keyboard shortcuts. So if it S, it opens search, L opens layout, T opens that, the theme drawer, and R refreshes the data, as you can see right here. Of course, in layout, you can turn off the radar preview if you don't want it. You can switch your outlooks, your overlay, over thing here. Sorry for stuttering. And then right here beside it, tools. Now we have a bunch of drop down for different pages. We have a Discord server now. We have the Google Play links, the mobile app, and WeBot. Also, I would like to thank you all for 100+ downloads on WeBot. I don't know how WeBot's beating WeatherPower, but thank you. And then we have a new page called WeSPC. This is our SPC outlooks. I need to update them. This was yesterday, I think, yeah. And then this is actually, I think, today's. And then it basically kind of pulls from SPC's site. This is day 4. This is Tuesday, I believe. We have a risk. Oh, wow. Day 5. And then we have mesoscale discussions, which right now we don't have one. Tornado, risk, I don't know. Yeah, I have this new SIG, the new SIG stuff that the National Weather Service went to on March 2nd, I think it was. And then we have the wind risk, and then hail, which all that's there. And it updates with the National Weather Service. As you can see down here, it says issued by WeatherPower. So, pretty much, that's one of the new pages. I'm happy to announce that you guys can access it yourself by just heading over to the home page, clicking tools. Then the winter outlooks page is about the same. Right now it's broke. I haven't fixed it yet. As you can see, I don't show anything, and I haven't issued anything because we really don't have much winter weather right now. It's all been storms and severe weather. And then, of course, they'll send you the Discord server and the Play Store. That's mainly it on the home page. The hourly page, we have added a probe, which I don't know if you guys have seen this, and we also added the normals in the records right here, and then AI summaries now, so you guys can use that. And then you also can share your card here, and it'll go as an image. And then you can turn the hover probe off if you don't want it. My next step is to add the days on the hover probe that show you what day that it's going to be doing said thing. That's my next step here, and then the next step is to fix all these buttons up here that make them actually work. Then, of course, on the radar page, we have places. You can add your places now, as you can see with school. And then we also have storm reports and Canada warnings now. And then once you click storm reports, this pulls up icons all over your map. For example, let me click on this one up here. This is a thunderstorm wind damage. Sebastian County. As you can see, it just tells you what the report is. And the X is right here. If you guys can't see it, it's right there. So anyway, basically, and I've also fixed where hail and rain don't get mixed up with each other. Because that was also an issue with Weatherfront. Yes, I've heard about Weatherfront. Flash flood in Hot Springs at 8 this morning. Anyway, then we got a tornado that hit Wheelsville, Arkansas. And look how close that is to me. Next. Oh, wow. Jefferson, Texas. That's crazy. Anyway. Prospect community and at least 2 injuries have been reported. Huh. That must have been a very big tornado. Anyway, look at all these storm reports in the last few hours. Look at all of them. We're planning on designing this to make it a lot more cooler, a lot more neat UI when you click on them, and when you like look at them and stuff, and making this card a little more seeable and the X seeable. You could toggle that in the menu option. And then we also, I don't think it changed along with it. Yeah, no, it didn't. But we're going to put the SIG outlooks on here too. And then, of course, you can share your location. There's the place. You can click add a place. And then it'll let you select a place on your map. And then you can save the place or whatnot. You must be logged in to do that. So please log in and do that. And also, we added a link where you can just click the home page. Back again. It's all pretty neat. And then, of course, the cameras page hasn't changed anything. Oh, yeah, well, if you're on a small screen, we have changed that. Where now when you go on a small screen, it'll be up here instead of where it was. And then the alerts page is the same. The blog is the same. Actually, we do have AI overviews in the blogs now. And then we also have links, a capability of put links in the thing. And mainly that's about it on this page. Now I'm going to show you guys my admin dashboard. And this is where I post everything, manage everything, and do everything. So, and this is also where WeBot lives. This is also its brain. I know all you guys are probably going to tell me in a minute that WeBot looks like Ryan Hall's bot. I'm going to fix that because it kind of does. Here you are. And as you can see, we got the voice. I'm going to use it one time. It's using OpenAI. I have credits. I have an API key and all that bull crap. I'm going to go ahead and speak to it right quick. Yo.
Howdy. You've got WeatherPower's Copilot on deck, ready to wrangle any weather questions, dashboard tits, or just shoot the breeze. What can I help you with today?
Also, you guys can use this too, but not the voice. You guys can use the WeBot. It's using GPT 4.1, which a lot of y'all miss. All you got to do is on your phone. You can't really use it on computer because it's meant for phone, but you can go to weatherpower.app /WeBot MOB, which stands for mobile. You can preview it anyway. And then, of course, I gotta promote this. That's pretty neat. Didn't know it changed that. And then I'm gonna say hi.
Hey there.
See?
How can I help you today? Looking for a forecast, or just want to chat about the weather?
Reply via OpenAI. So you guys can use this. Please don't spam it either because it takes my credits every time y'all do it. So that's why I gotta be careful here. And y'all gotta be careful there. Because it also, this is its brain basically. It reads SPC outlooks. And then it reads NWS stations. And then it reads almost every Reddit posts. It reads that just for kind of general news, if you will. And then it also reads alerts. It basically reads everything. And it can call me just like Ryan's bot. I know it's kind of weird, but and then this is where I can monitor all of its stations, its cameras, its SPC watching, and then all of that other stuff. And then in here is where it can call me or whatnot. And then over here, if I can find it, this is where it can listen to weather stations.
Station WXJ97, operating on a frequency of 162.4.
So that's basically where I can enter radios for it to listen to. I was trying to get Broadcastify stations so it can tell me if there's anything interesting. But it, of course, didn't. And then this tells me the severe ingredients outside right now. And I might program it later to read all these right here. And then, of course, you got overlay controls, which I don't even use the overlay. I've got to redo it for that 24-hour live stream later down the road. And then, of course, you can click this to go to WeBot. Literally, all these little shortcuts around here. And then I have a command palette that lets me zoom around here. Basically, at this point, this is a whole weather center that I can access. Y'all can't because y'all are not admin. Only if you're a beta tester or admin, you guys can help me with this. This is actually a pretty premium dashboard, so if I ever start doing a premium plan or something, I might. Alright, guys, I'm here. Alright, anyway, so basically that marks all of the stuff I've been doing. I'm really hoping everything can turn out to go good and we get a very good weather season. Not too bad, not too disappointing. It's already off to a very, very bad start with the severe weather this year already. And to be honest,
Heads up.
see, look, calling me.
New flash flood warning for Allen LA severity severe.
I don't want to answer it because one reason why I don't, if it did, it would also kind of just keep doing that until a point where it uses all my credits. Alright, guys. I think, yeah, this is a backend that I'm not going to worry about. See, I could type messages here, send it over to itself, but I use the actual WeBot window. But yeah, it says directly to him. But yeah, this does kind of look like Ryan's bot, and I apologize. But I think I'm gonna revamp the bot's look and everything. But until then, guys, I'll see y'all later. Peace.